programmed crisis braking vaults the 2019 Acura TLX up our security scale. Government analyzers gave the 2019 Acura TLX good grades for crashworthiness, incorporating ideal scores in each subtestâ early and common decisive victory. Autonomous analyzers were to a great extent similarly as complementary, including a predominant rating for the TLX's standard programmed crisis braking. Inadequate rating for little cover crash security by these shields it from moving higher than an 8 on our wellbeing scale, nonetheless. Every one of the 2019 TLX cars are outfitted with an exhaustive suite of security highlights, incorporating forward impact alerts with programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, and a rear view camera. Base adaptations outfitted with a 4 or 6 barrel motor offer blind side screens with cross-activity alarms, while A-Spec forms make that element standard. The TLX is furnished with standard front and side effect airbags, including a driver's knee airbag. Solidness and footing control frameworks are standard.